Now remove the machine head face screws along the bottom edge facing up of the cage, including the lower latch plate if it's a double door, and loosen the screws at the bottom of the cage sides. There is also usually a folded edge protector strip taped along this edge for shipping. Remove that at this time. There should be a very thin sheet metal edge protruding from the frame behind. Now you're ready to install the base onto the upturned cages. The front edge of the base needs to install between the face sheet metal of the cage and the frame behind. Then gently push down on the base until the screw holes align through the base. The back angle of the base should rest inside the rear cage support bracket as shown. It is important to note that this location is not mechanically fastened for when the cages are turned over later.